Hi everyone, it's Zena with Cherry Arts, and today we're going to be creating an animal silhouette. What you'll need is a piece of paper, cardboard, glue, scissors, and scrap fabric. The first step is to draw out what animal you want for your animal silhouette. I chose to do a bunny. You can also print out a template online and trace. Now cut off the excess paper. Take your fabric and begin cutting it into thin or thick strips. Once all your fabric is cut, you're going to glue it to the back of your animal. Once all your fabric is glued down, turn your paper over and cut along the lines of your animal. Finally, take your animal silhouette and glue it to your cardboard canvas. If you want, you can also add a background on your canvas. Hope you enjoy your animal silhouette. Tag us in photos you post and come back soon.